Banana tomato gravy curry recipe, served along with rice, roti, chapathi for best taste. We need only 30 minutes for the preparation. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 1 tablespoon oil and heat it. Add half inch size chopped ginger, 1.5 sliced onion, 4 green chili slits. Mix it well. Saute it for 3 minutes until the onion turns soft. After 3 minutes, change to low flame and add half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chilli powder. Mix it well. Saute it on low flame for 2 minutes. Now add 1 chopped tomato. Mix it well. Saute it for 3 minutes on medium flame. Then add 1 chopped raw banana to it. Add 1 cup of hot water, 1 teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook for 6 minutes on low flame. After 6 minutes, open the lid. Switch off the flame. Wait for 3 minutes to get it cooled down a little bit before adding curd to it. Add 1 cup of curd. Mix it well. Cook for 2 minutes on low flame. After 2 minutes, switch off the flame. Now, in a pan, take 1 tablespoon oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds and wait until it splutters. Add 1/4 teaspoon fenugreek seed to it. After 10 seconds, add 4 dry red chillies cut into halves, 6 sliced shallots, 1 sprig of curry leaves. Saute it for 3 minutes until it becomes light golden color.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Switch off the flame. Now add this on top of the curry. Don't stir it now. Close the lid. Stir only after 10 minutes. Our banana tomato gravy curry recipe is ready. Usually served along with rice, but you can also have it along with chapathi or roti.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.